Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow LinkedIn to use information from the companies you follow. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then click on the Me button at the top of the screen. Tap on settings and privacy, and after that you should go to the left side column of the screen and tap on advertising data. Go to the data collected on LinkedIn section and click on companies you followed as the fourth option, and here you can allow the website to use information from the companies you follow to show you more relevant ads. So in order to turn it on, just tap on this button on the right side of the screen and it will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.